Everyone, go as far as you can see with you, and today I have received this can crusher. This device will help you to crush the cans. Today's sponsor, KANBOL. Alright, we'll try to install this and see how it is work. Inside we have screws. There are 4 of them, and a can crusher itself. Oh, there's also lubrication. On instructions shows over here important to lubricate all the time on the slider part. Okay, let's install this and see how it is work. I know they provide the screws, but I want to use my screws. For installation I'm using construction screws. To be honestly, I'm very tight on the space. My shelf is always full and everything. So I find a little spot over here inside garage where there is no moisture, and I'll try to install this over here. I'm using a Ryobi driver. So I got one on top and one at the bottom. You have to use the scissors. I'm going to try some cans. We will start with very small one. It's probably 8 O's. That's not even lots of power. Next one is light. That's nice. I'm cheating. So I have full bag of the cans, and I crush them and zap to have just a little bit of the cans. I recommend this company. This is a very nice tool for everyone. It says KANBOL 16 O's 12 O's mounted B2 new. Okay, so you can basically buy the bigger one. This is just for the 16 O's and 12 O's. Also, this can crusher used about 8 bottles, and if you are lucky enough, you can purchase this one from my eBay account. I will probably buy the bigger one, so this one is for anybody that wants. It's already lubricated and it's good to go. So this can crusher go to anybody that wants. So the link for this specific one will be in description. This model for sure has been tested by me and operates per manufacturer states. I will going to even include these 4 screws and 4 extra new exterior screws with a star wash on it head. Alright, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Please like, subscribe, and the link for the equipment is in description. Everybody have a nice and safe day.